Bonjour guys, welcome to CG Nerd. My name is Deepak and this is going to be my first introduction day vlog of my upcoming game designing project on this channel. I love to play games and I wanted to create them as well. So I took a graduate program in multimedia and animation. After 3 years of learning from various platforms, I decided to create my first multiplayer first person shooter game. So I'm planning to remake the multiplayer mode of 2003's IGI2 game, and for the map I'm going to recreate Tribois Villa map of this game. In this project, I'm going to use Unity game engine, and for the assets, my friends will be helping me. I'll use 3D and texturing programs such as Autodesk Maya, 3ds Max, Blender, Adobe Photoshop and Substance Painter. I'm planning to release my progress videos on every Friday. If you want to be part of my journey, then do consider to subscribe my channel. I'll really appreciate your support. Also leave a like and give me feedback in the comment section below. That's it for this video guys. I'll meet you in the next day vlog. Until then, sayonara.
I'll say goodbye 'cause the time just say no. I keep telling myself, can't stay here, gotta go. 'Cause when I make it to the very end, I'm hoping I can see you again.